Hello everyone. This is gonna be the first video where we do we're going to mentally solve 2 to 3 and 4 digits addition. So if you haven't seen the intro video, go watch that. I'm gonna be I'm going to be uploading math videos. Videos where I'll be solving questions and things like that. So for this first one, we'll be doing I'm going to show you guys how to mentally solve 2, 3, and 4 digits addition. And purpose of this video, you'll find out how to mentally do it, and or if you guys already know, you'll see how I do it. So we're gonna start. Off with 2 digits addition, since that is easy. Okay, starting off with 2 digits. So, let's say for example, I have the addition 26 plus 33. What does this equal? So let's say we give our 26. We're going to start with our first number, 26, and we look at the one on the left, which is 3. And since this 3 is in the tens value, what we're going to do is we're going to add 10 3 times. So that's 30. You add 30 with 26, that's 56. You add 30 with 26, that is 56. And then we go on to the next number, which is a 3. And since this is in the ones place, we add 1 3 times, and that total is 3. So you have 56, and you add the 3, and that's going to be 59. So our end will be 59. Really simple. And this is going to be the same idea for the third digits, 4 digits, etc. As for the third digits will involve the hundreds value, and the fourth digits will involve the thousands value. Okay, so now we have 3-digit addition. So we have 259 plus 477. Alright, so once again, just like the 2-digit, I'm going to start with my first number. We got 259. We once again, we're going to start counting, but instead of counting up by 10, we're going to count up by 100. And you can, and to remember how much you need to count up by, you can always remember that, like, this is hundreds, like, see, three digits, like ones, tens, hundreds. Since this is like this is in the hundreds, this number is less than 1,000 and more than 100, so it's in the hundreds. So we count up by 100, and once again, since 100 is a very easy number to count up, we're gonna count up hundreds by 4. Whichever number is in the hundreds place, that's how much you're gonna count up to by 100. So whichever number is in the hundreds place, you count up by that number. Since this is the hundreds place and it's 4, we count up hundreds by 4 times. And so counting that up, 100, 200, 300, 400, so you get 400 right there. And then so after counting it up by getting to 400, 400, you add that 400 by 259, and 259 plus 400, that is going to be 659. Now we're going to move on to the tens place, which is this 7 right here. And now you take that 459 now since this is in the tens place, you count up by 10. So 259 plus 400, 659 plus 70. So because reason why it's 70, since I count up by tens, 20s, 30, all the way to 70. This is 10 times 7, 70. And so 659 plus 70. Now, 70, 659 plus 70. Start counting up by tens. 669, 679, counting up by 10. So we got 6, so we have 669, 679, 689, 699, 709, 719, 729. So it's 729, and then take 729 and you add it by 7. And since this is the ones place, you add it by 729 by 7. 729 plus 7, that is going to be 736. And that is your final answer. Now, 3 digits compared to from 2 digits to 3 digits, apart from doing it from figuring out mentally from 2 digits to 3 digits, or like doing 3 digits mentally can be challenging, because 3 digits like there's more numbers to add, but the more you do it, the better you'll be. So, and that's pretty much that's all you have to do. To recap what I just did, I took 259, I added by 100 4 times, so 259 plus 400, that is going to be, so 259 plus 400, so I'm already here. 259 plus 400 is equal to 659. You take the 659, you add it by 7 times, so 70. 659 plus 70. This is going to equal, let me write the equal, let me write it, I'll write the number right here. So 659 plus 70, 729. And then plus 7, because the ones place 7, you get your final answer to be, alright, I should have put it here, but it's fine. 729 plus 7, 736. Simple as that. Now we're going to get on to our final one, 4 digits. Now this is where it's going to be very tough, very challenging. So obviously you first master 2 digits if you haven't. If you're not like good at that, then move on to 3 digits, and then move on to the 4 digits. Obviously, once again, like I said before, you do all the steps that you did for 2 digits and 3 digits, and apply that into the 4 digits. So once again, take our 3,143, and we're going to first start with whatever number is on the left side. So we start off with this 1 right here, and since 1 is in the thousands value, we're gonna add 1. We're gonna add 1,000 one time. So 1001, since there's only one, so we just do 1000. We're gonna add that 1000, which is 3143. 3143 plus 1000 is going to be 4143. So I'm gonna write it right here, in case for people that forget. Should have also done this on the previous ones, but it's fine. This I'll do this one visually. All right, so we got 4143. Okay. Now we have 3 more to go. Next one, hundredths value. We got 5. All right, so we got 5. So this one, you count it up by 100. You gotta count it up by hundreds. So since there's only 5 here, you count it up 105 times. That's 500. And so 500 plus, and now you add that 500 into 4143. So 4143 plus 500, and that'll give you, so 4143 plus 500. Very simple. All you gotta do, now to figure this out in your head, you just count this 143, just 243, 343, 443, 543, 643. And so you just take that one and you just add 5 to it, and that's 6, and then you keep the rest. So 4643. Okay, we're halfway there. We go to the tens place. We have 7. Now 7, tens place, 70. So now we're gonna take our 4643. We're gonna add this by 70, and that's gonna equal to, all right, there we go. Put an arrow all the way there this time. And now 4643 plus 70. Now take the 43 and you add it by 70. 43 plus 70. Now since this is over 10, so you gotta do it in your do a count by tens, and we're using your fingers. 53, 63, 73, 83, 93, 103, 113. That's 113. And since 113, you gotta go to the hundredth value, which is 6, and you gotta replace that 6 with 7, and 7, and then the tens place will be 1, and then the ones place will be 3. So that's 4,713. And the last one, 8 ones, so that's going to be, you have to add this by 8. 4,713 plus 8 is going to equal 4,721. Okay. If you're having trouble figuring out how to do it mentally, you can always do it like this first and then move on to it mentally, because obviously, like, and once you continue doing it, 5 digits, 6 digits, 7 digits, etc., it'll get more and more and more challenging. And so, if you're really having trouble doing this mentally, just focus on doing these steps, and once you're comfortable doing this, then move on to it mentally. And then once you're able to do this, then move on to it and you're mentally, and obviously, and to be able to do this, you can be able to accomplish whatever it may be, regardless whether it's school, whether it's whether you don't have a calculator on you and you're trying to figure out how to, like, how to do these additions mentally, whatever the case may be. This will help you be able to do it mentally. So I hope this video will be able to help you. So I hope this video will be able to help you figure out how to do these problems in your mentally. And we'll see. Comment down below let me know if how you think about how you thought about this video. Give me some feedback on this video, and the next video, I don't know what the next video will be, but once it's uploaded, then you'll know what that video will be. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.